Today we're gonna do something super fun and practical. We're gonna do like a how to layer like a pro, but the kind of layering that's functional and effortless, but makes you feel cool while you're out and about. Layering is that key to nailing that stylish look. So let's talk fashion. So I like to do layering in 3 steps, right? The first step I would say is start light and build heavy. You want to start with a base layer that is lightweight and breathable, like a tank top or a fitted t-shirt or like a really thin sweater. From there we could add like bulkier things like jackets and hoodies and vest. The second step is to play with length. You could try pairing like a crop jacket with a long shirt underneath, or a short sweater with like a flowy mini dress. Then the third thing to me is texture. Texture is key. Mixing materials like denim or leather or cotton, it just adds so much depth to your outfit. Think of like a chunky knit sweater under a trench coat. That'll do it. Now I just did a major closet throw out and overhaul, so I didn't get a chance to buy back a lot of things that I need in my closet, but I do have some things that I want to show you that will help demonstrate some of the styles. But just keep in mind I don't have everything, so you know, just relax. I'll get there little by little. I have these two that, you know, take up a lot of my money, but we'll get back there little by little. So let's dive a little deeper. So now that we covered the basics, let's look at a few different combos. So look 1 is what I call an oversized blazer moment, right? I think blazers are great no matter what, but I think an oversized blazer will definitely give you that moment. You just have to layer it the right way. Keep in mind, everyone has their own style. Everyone doesn't like the same things. So, you know, just take these things that I'm showing you with a grain of salt. This is what I like. It may not be what you like. You can take your blazer, oversized blazer moment and create your own style with it. Be my guest. Send me some pics. I would love that, actually. So this is what I did. I took a pair of gray slacks. All the girlies now are doing slacks as a very casual, incorporated into a very casual fit. I wear them to work every single day, so I have a ton of them. These gray ones are from H&M, and I love these. They're just regular fit. And what I did was I paired it with a graphic tee, and it's kind of cropped. It's a little crop graphic tee that I got from Two Rose Brewing. If you know, you know. And I thought this was really cute because I like the taupe color of it, so I like how the two go together color wise. And I went ahead and put on top of it my oversized blazer. Now my blazer is not too oversized. It's my regular blazer that I wear. It's a little bit on the big side, but I do want to get a bigger one soon. Check the men's departments because that's where they be hitting. This one's not bad to be from Shein. So I paired it with that. And then for the shoes, I put in my Chelsea boots, and then I topped it with a crossbody bag. And you gotta fit. Now, if you decide that you don't want to wear slacks and you're more comfortable in jeans, or you're a jeans girl, I also did pair it with these denim faded black jeans that have the knees cut out and they're skinny fit. I got these from Fashion Nova, I believe. No, I got these from H&M a million years ago. I'll try to find something that I can link for you. But yep, and these are super stretchy, so I really thought they were Fashion Nova, but they're not. So the second look is athleisure meets street chic. For this one, I was trying to be like more comfy but stylish, like if I am just throwing something on to go to the gym, but maybe I have a Target run after, or Target run first, or I just want to be comfortable all day, this is what I would put on. I started with a pair of super comfy leggings. I have a ton of leggings that I don't wear all the time because some of them are so constricting and so tight. These are super comfortable. These I believe I got from Halara. Yes, I got these from a sponsorship that I did with Halara. And I love the, where is it? I love the V detail in the front. And I didn't even notice this before, but this has pockets sort of on the side back area, which is nice. And these stretch so far. They look short, but they're not. They stretch all the way down. But you know, I'm 5'3.5", so I don't need much stretch. But these are so good. They're so soft. They're so comfy. Like you could sleep in these and you would feel like nothing was on you. So then I paired that with a cropped hoodie, and that I actually got from Halara in that same sponsorship. So this is it here. A waffle hoodie, not too thick, not too thin. It's cropped. And I think this is really super cute. So I paired that together. And then depending on how chilly it is outside, you could either throw a vest right on top, or you could throw a cardigan on top first and then throw a vest. I did it both ways just so you can see it. I also have a shacket that I got from H&M. You guys probably seen me in it a million times. You could do the shacket on top and then the vest, or just the shacket. So there's a lot of different ways you can do it here. I sort of just put on all the layers just so you can see. I threw on a baseball hat and that's it. I was out the door. Oh, and I put on my old Jordans. These things are crusty and dusty, and I've had them 1,000 years, and I love them still. You could also totally upstyle this and maybe put like a beanie hat on, some sunglasses that match it really well. So there's ways you can do it. Maybe a more stylish sneaker, maybe a sneaker that matches a little better. I just gave you what I had, but just for the look and for the purpose of this video, it's the layering that I'm trying to get out, right? Look 3 is a little bit more formal, going away from the casual. So this is layering dresses or skirts. So you can definitely wear a dress or skirt in cooler weather. I don't do it as much because I'm allergic to the cold. I just can't do it. I do like the look of it when I see it on other people, and sometimes I feel like,
yes, you can do it. Just do it. You'll be fine. You won't die out there in the cold.
But I might, so I don't. So to start with, what I did was I put on a pattern tight because those are so cute. They're key, and it's a great texture to throw on. And when we talk about texture, it's a great texture to throw on with what I'm going to show you. So these are the tights right here. It's going to be very hard to see them, but this is the pattern. It's like a fishnet chevron, which I thought was super cute. I don't remember where I got these from, but they're actually more comfortable than I thought, and I'm not a tights girl. I worked at Wolford for 2 years, and I'm not a tights girl. Figure that. I don't know where I got these from. Probably Shein, probably H&M. I don't know, but I had them. This is a t-shirt basics top from H&M, and it has a long sleeve, but this is super thin material, so I can totally layer this with a lot of things. And I like these because they're super stretchy as well. And I layered this. You can do this, or you can do a turtleneck. Thin. And I layered that with my slip dress. Here it is. Now don't come for me. This is a very bright color for winter. Some people can do it. Some people cannot. Some people will not. I should not have with this color hair. But again, for the purpose of the video, I want to show you a slip dress with a thin shirt. And I thought that was really cute. But sometimes that's not the vibe you're going for, right? So then I switched out of it, added this on top. This crop thin, silky feel jacket from H&M from a gazillion years ago. Now, I didn't necessarily like how they looked together. Maybe if I styled it a different way, it would have worked, but I think with the cowl neck, it was too much. So we switched it up and we took off the dress, kept on the top, and added this satin slip skirt that flares at the bottom, sort of like an A-line skirt. And we got that from Target. So that worked out really nicely. Then we put the jacket back on, just threw it over our shoulders, and we were good to go. Now what I did to give sort of a little peep toe moment, I paired this outfit with some open-toed shoes. I already forgot who the designer is that this was a dupe for, but I got these from Amazon. I just can't think of the name, but I'll put it in the comments. And are they backwards? Girl. I'll go ahead and add these to the next dupe video. That way you'll know exactly which ones I got. Those are the 3 looks, but let me just give you some layering advice for all 4 seasons, right? So for fall, think light knits, denim jackets, and scarves. Add a beanie for chilly mornings. For winter, this is your time to pile it on. Thermal base layers, chunky knits, puffer coats, boots with thick socks. Really, really cute. For spring, stick to lighter fabrics like cotton and linen. Maybe throw a trench coat over a dress, and a shirt and jeans combo is perfect. Yes, you can absolutely layer in summer. You can do like a lightweight kimono or sheer cardigans over tanks or camisoles. Add a straw hat, and you got a cute little vibe and style going on, sis. Layering may seem like a lot, but once you get the hang of it, it's such a fun way to express your style. And there's so many people out here making it look so good. I'm just dipping my toe into it, but I think layering is so good. Let me know in the comments if you layer now, if you plan to layer, if you like anything I did with my layering. If you don't, let's get a conversation started. Let me know which one was your favorite outfit. Share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that bell notification either. I'll be looking for you in the comments, okay? Come back. Leave something down there. All the links will be in the description box if I can find them. If not, I'll link something similar, and it'll take you right to my LTK page, and you'll see everything there. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.